This is the North Star for DENSO's next era. They are rebranding themselves from a traditional Tier 1 supplier to a company that expands human potential from mobility to future society. The core branding emphasizes that their foundational technologies, what they call their crafting the core philosophy, will now serve as the bedrock for a much wider social infrastructure beyond the vehicle itself. This is a definitive pivot toward becoming a multi-industry technology powerhouse. DENSO is offering a candid assessment here. While they successfully outpaced the market with a 9% CAGR and hit sales targets in electrification, 1.1 trillion Japanese yen, and ADAS, 590 billion Japanese yen, their profitability stalled. They missed their 10% operating margin and ROE targets, landing at 7.2% and 8.1% respectively. Profitability was suppressed by soaring material costs, quality assurance expenses, and heavy R&D pre-investments. They are entering 2026 with high revenue, but a clear mandate to fix their margin structure. The strategy is a direct response to three global pressures: a multipolar world where economic security is paramount, severe social issues like decarbonization and traffic fatalities, and changing human values driven by the AI revolution. DENSO views these not just as risks, but as market creation opportunities. They are positioning their core competencies to address the global mandate for carbon neutrality and the evolution of labor styles in an AI-integrated economy. Structurally, the plan rests on two value domains: environment, decarbonization, and peace of mind, zero accidents. These are supported by three strategic pillars: product creation for diverse mobility, manufacturing innovation via AI, and co-creation with partners. It's a cohesive framework designed to move the company away from siloed component sales and toward integrated, high-value system solutions. DENSO identifies 5 moats that justify their expansion: advanced R&D, high-quality monozukuri, their Trinity system proposal power, fusing mechanics, electronics, and software, deep partner networks, and human capital. For us, the Trinity power is the most critical. It's their ability to synthesize singular base components into complex, synthesized systems that competitors focused on just software or just hardware cannot easily replicate. Strategy is a function of resource allocation, and DENSO is committing 3.7 trillion Japanese yen to R&D over the next 5 years. They are doubling down on a multi-pathway approach, supporting every engine type, BEV, HEV, FCEV, based on regional energy needs. Their goal is to reach 4 trillion Japanese yen in revenue, specifically from electrification and intelligence by 2030, effectively a 1.5x increase over current levels. This slide deepens the Trinity concept. DENSO is moving from singular base components to integrated vehicle systems. By synthesizing mechanics, electronics, and software, they aim to dominate total vehicle energy management and highly reliable ADAS. As a banker, you'll recognize this as a move up the value chain, selling the brain and the circulatory system of the car, which commands higher margins and stickier customer relationships than individual parts. Here is their plan to recover margins. They are fusing decades of tacit practical knowledge with edge AI implementation to achieve exponential productivity. They view their vast, difficult-to-imitate on-the-ground manufacturing data as their ultimate capital in the AI era. This isn't just automation. It's a self-learning manufacturing ecosystem designed to deliver unmatched quality, cost, and delivery, QCD. The physical proof of Pillar 2 is the Zenmyo South plant in Aichi, scheduled for completion in 2027. It is designed as a vanguard facility where AI and human expertise fuse on the manufacturing floor. DENSO intends for this plant to serve as a global blueprint for unprecedented productivity, essentially changing the scenery of global manufacturing by shifting human roles to high-value-added creative tasks. DENSO realizes they cannot solve borderless social issues alone. They are positioning themselves as an ecosystem hub, coordinating between government policymakers, tech alliances, and industrial/agricultural partners. Human capital is cited as the primary engine of this strategy. They are empowering individual employees to take on challenges that generate societal trust, solving problems that are beyond the reach of any single enterprise. This is a significant diversification play. By applying automotive reliability to general industry and agriculture, they have set 2030 revenue targets of 300 billion Japanese yen for factory automation, FA, and 100 billion Japanese yen for agriculture. Their automation solutions in these sectors are projected to resolve a labor shortage equivalent to 19,000 workers. This horizontal application of core tech to solve the global labor crisis is a key pillar of their future growth. This matrix illustrates the efficiency of their R&D. A single investment in core automotive tech, like semiconductors, thermal systems, or ADAS, is scaled across mobility, FA, agriculture, and even consumer electronics. This one-to-many scaling is designed to maximize ROI, allowing them to enter new, massive industries with foundational technologies that have already been de-risked and perfected in the high-stakes automotive environment. DENSO is tying financial performance to societal KPIs. In the environment domain, they are aiming for 1.9 trillion Japanese yen in electrification revenue and Scope 1 and 2 neutrality by 2030. In peace of mind, they target 1 trillion Japanese yen in ADAS revenue and 80% accident scene coverage. Notably, they've set a 75% improvement target for agricultural productivity, signaling their serious commitment to the food supply sector. The bottom line for 2030 is aggressive. Over 8 trillion Japanese yen in revenue, an operating margin exceeding 10%, and an ROE of 11% or higher. They are also committing to a 4.0% DOE, dividend on equity, and a cumulative 8 trillion Japanese yen in investment and shareholder returns between 2026 and 2030. It's a plan that promises growth, societal impact, and significantly improved capital efficiency.